Here we have number 1. You are going to be making a conjecture about the next item in this sequence. So A, it looks like the dots are increasing. So this is, let's say, the new one. But what is different about the new one, it looks like there are 2 more dots that are being added to the side. So you can write here that there are 2 more dots. 2 dots are added, 1 on each side of the shape. Okay, and then the next one, it looks like it is 5, 10, 15, 20. So, and it is going from positive to negative. So the next one should be a positive 25. So here we can say that the next item in the sequence is, it is multiple of 5s going from positive to negative. Okay, so the next one should be 20, 25. It goes from negative to positive. Then the next one, it is decreasing from 2, 1, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8. So the next one should be 1/16 and 1/16. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. This one's going to be positive. So here we can say it is being divided by 2 each time, going from positive to negative. There you go. That is how you determine the conjecture about this item in the sequence.